Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is social insurance. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is social insurance. When you search what is social insurance, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website what is social insurance eligibility types and coverage. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is social insurance. Social insurance is a public insurance program that provides protection against the various economic risks, loss of income due to sickness, old age and unemployment, and which is participation of compulsory. Social insurance is considered to be a type of social security and the fact of two terms of sometimes used interchangeability. The first compulsory social insurance program of the national scale of established in Germany and Chancellor of Otto Bismarck in health insurance in 1883, worker compensation in 1884 and the old age of inventory precision in 1889. Germany example of the soon followed Australia and the Hungary the issued of financial social insurance elsewhere Europe and to advocated of compulsory system. Great Britain adopt national compulsory basics and rapidly adopted throughout explore Europe of the Western Hemisphere of Act government insurance progress and exclusively responsibility of states and local government. The three federal insurance program adopted in the USA and 1935 provide retirement of the severe benefit healthcare provider and persons over 65 and insurance agents against disability. Social insurance program differ private insurance and in several ways. Contribution and normally compulsory and may be made by insured employer per state and as well as they have to insurance himself. Also benefit and strictly try to the contribution in the private insurance. For example, to make a program serve a certain social purpose and some groups are included among beneficiaries event of the throughout and they have to contribute it form of requirement periods of time benefit and may be resident of the response and increases the cost of billing again and speaking of this between contribution and benefit. Social insurance however differ significantly from of other forms of public side. Social insurance system tend of the self-financing with the contribution placed in a specific fund that are pretty sure because of the payment of benefits are based on the generally or contribution made of not need to necessity and means test of remove benefit and become of a right and straightener attachment with the recovering and the contribution made it needed and necessary of the means that the removed benefit of become a right and way of the stigma attachment with the recovery contribution level of reflected varying the degree and of risk. For example, contribution of unemployment insurance program for employer with low discharges and layout for the rate and less of those with the higher rates. There are considerable varieties among countries and financing of social insurance program. Australia, Sweden and Denmark of the among and which is the bears of the high proportion and cost. This distribution of cost also varies within the each workman and insurance policies social welfare program. Groups of insurance. Insurance provided a member of formal and groups of the employment of the firm member association group insurance distinguish and individual insurance in which single policies of sort and person of the time firm social insurance unemployment insurance social security which is supported by a government. To concept the group of insurance properly organized in the accident an ancient Rome of the Roman plural societies in the form of modern group policies, coverage of the employment and American retail, medicine of the mandatory work and co went to affected in 1912. Group of insurance is offered by every country in which private insurance companies operate and it growing important every year. There are several different types of group insurance. Group life insurance in the perhaps of most common form. It is usually offered as a group of term life insurance which is for only of specified period of time which does not build of an each values. Sometimes group permanent life insurance is offered. This type of build and cash value of the string in the force of until policies reach mandatory and maturity of the case or until death of insured. Group health insurance indicated include group of medical expenses insurance and a part of income lost of due to illness or accident. Groups of accidental death and demonstrative groups of travel accident Insurance may be element of the life insurance and health insurance policies.